Bowser Jr., and I'm gonna be taking my father now!
From the ashes of his father's defeat rises a new conqueror. The Bowser name shall be feared once more!